Let's export our compound clip. Click here, export clip, and boom, this is our new feature in Filmora 13, which is AI thumbnail generator. It will take time to generate according to your how big your file is. Basic idea is AI system will try to find best moment or best shot from your video. I am selecting this one and click edit. This will take you in text editing window. Here you can add text on your selected thumbnail footage. Let's add, click T, and you can add your text here. I'm going to add compound clip. Everything is same in text editing tab. Let's add preset to our text. Click here and see you can easily stylize your text, no effort. And you can also add word art file. To your, I'm just writing here in test beta, which is about this video. You can customize your text easily. I'm just going to add background color black, and see, because of AI system, the background color is only till the text is you can add logo and other graphics as well to design or stylize your thumbnail. It's really easy in this window right here, very easily. I think it's make our work so easier. In Filmora 13, I think this is easier to us to handle all the graphics in one place. You don't have to go and take a snapshot and then redesign. I think this is easier to us to design our thumbnail here and save them, and we can reuse in future. Right, I have done this right here. And here is icon. Here you can ask the AI ChatGPT the title name of your video, and you can select any of them. I am going to with this, and that's it. It's almost done. Here is a video we have exported, and this is thumbnail which is we designed. You can also edit again if you want any changes anytime. You can easily add or delete anything. This is replace button. Just click and it will take you again in AI thumbnail generator, and you can reselect again any of as you want. So this is so easy, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you understand all these things. I hope I cover everything to help you. If you like, please comment and like this video. Thank you, and see you in next.